here's your living and the dining area. Wow! And this is the huge kitchen area where they have set it up, the platform best and the elegant master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Godrej Woods, which is located in Thani Sandra, North Bangalore, a project developed by Godrej Properties. And today we'll be doing the 3 BHK sample flight tour. But before starting the video, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if we do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let me show you the surrounding of the project. So right now we are standing on the actual land parcel and this is the marketing office of the project. And the land parcel is on the left hand side over here. Now let's start with the project overview. So this project is spread across 7 acres of land parcel consisting of 10 towers. Each tower of 2 basement ground plus 13 and 14 floors, having 2 BHK, 3 BHK Lux and 3 BHK Premium residencies. Additionally, this project will be having 558 units in all. And now about the amenities parts of the project is providing you world-class amenities like 1100 full-grown trees. Other amenities like of grand clubhouse, including amenities like of gymnasium, tennis area, co-working space, cafeteria. This is the kids play area, swimming pool and many more amenities. Now let's discuss about the location of the project. So the project is located on Belahalli main road in Thani Sandra, North Bangalore. Now let me show you the neighborhood of the project. So basically this is the Belahalli main road and this road will connect you towards Belahalli and the opposite side road will take you towards Satnur. Now about the further connectivity of the project. So you can connect to Reva University in just 1 minute from the land parcel. And even you can connect Amazon office, Satma Horizon in just 10 minutes from the project. Bhartiya City is 10 minutes away. KIADB Aerospace Park is 15 minutes from the location. So this is your 3 BHK model flight of 2192 square feet super built up area. Let's have a look at it. So this will be the main entrance and before entering, let me show you, here's the video door phone. And this is the main entrance with the foyer area for your privacy. And from this beautiful and spacious foyer area, here's your living and the dining area. Wow, you can check out the interior work that they have done for your reference. So this is the part of the living area where you can set your couches and sofa set in front of the TV unit. And it has a connecting balcony that is the connecting deck area. So once you enter towards your deck area, here's a surprise. So this is not just a deck area, it's a running deck area that is a running balcony which is connected to all the bedrooms with wooden finishing anti-skid flooring, iron railing. And once you move in, here's your dining area. So easily you can set up your huge dining table over here and with the easy access to it. Here's the entrance for your kitchen area. So once you enter the kitchen, you can check out the space that they are providing. And this is the huge kitchen area where they have set it up, the platforms, the cabinets for your reference. And even it has a connecting utility area, that is the drying balcony, which has a provision for your machine with anti-skid flooring. Now we'll be moving further towards your bedroom space. So your bedroom number 1, that is your guest bedroom, is near to the entrance. And this is the entrance for your guest bedroom. So once you move in, you can check how beautiful this bedroom is with a huge bed space, TV unit space over here, and it has a connecting balcony. So this is the same balcony, the deck area, which we checked earlier. Opposite to it, here's the wardrobe space and attached washroom. So here's the attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now let's move further towards your bedroom number 2. So as you have to walk through your living and the dining area, after taking your passage area, here the side is your bedroom number 2. So the interior speaks out that this is the kids' bedroom. And here's the beautiful interior work done for your reference. Here's a bed space. And again the balcony. So this is again the same balcony which has a connection from your kids' bedroom as well. And this is the spacious one balcony. Once you enter inside, here's the study table area. You can add up your study table here as well with a wardrobe space. And now let's move further. So once you move out, here's your common washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And now about the master bedroom. But before entering towards your master bedroom, let me inform you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour with such sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free on Housey.com. And now about the master bedroom. So this is your best and the elegant master bedroom. So once you enter, you can check out the space, the most beautiful and the spacious room in your house. So this is a bed space over here, the workspace which you can add up over here with a chair and a table. Here's a TV unit space and even the balcony. So as mentioned earlier, this balcony is connected to the master bedroom as well. And now let me tell you one more thing. So here outside you can check out the lush green area. So from the ground floor, you'll be getting the same view of this greenery. Now once you move in, here's a cross window for cross ventilation and the walk-in wardrobe which is attached to the room as well. An attached master washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. So now as you all know, we are here at Godrej Properties project. Have you checked another project with this builder? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of the project, all is mentioned in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.